Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video for you guys on these Horizon fast charging USB-C cables. As you guys can see, I've already taken them out of the box. Very much simple packaging. You actually get two of the cables in the box, as you guys can see here. These are 6 foot in length. These are your cotton and fiber wrapped cables. These things are really durable. I think these are going to last a long time. So if you're using, any of the devices that use USB-C, guys, this is going to be a no-brainer. Now, of course, to get the maximum speed out of these, your device has to be able to accept high-speed charging as well as whatever you're plugging it into. So if you're using, like a portable battery, it has to be able to produce high speed, as well as if you're plugging this directly into wall power. You guys kind of know how that goes, right? But in a nutshell, guys, you got 6 foot of cable, really nice texture. I think this is going to last a long time. I've gone through so many cables, I can't even count how many cables I've gone through over the years. But I think this one is going to be great for a lot of my everyday EDC carry type things, for charging my phones, charging my tablets and stuff like that. So if you guys looking for a high quality cable, I think this might be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.